If you went back in 1967, I don't know if you could have done a better job ordering a Chevelle than this one right here. This is a factory black SS 396 with the optional 350 horsepower, 4-speed, 373 posi, factory air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, buckets, console, clock, gauges, the blinker tachometer, bumper guards, dual mirrors, power top, red lines, rally wheels. And it is meticulously body off frame rotisserie restored, just acquired from one of the most prestigious collections I've ever seen. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. It's only 59 miles on the odometer. It's all it has on it since it's been finished. Numbers and codes are correct on the car. I called it a mirror on wheels. It is absolutely straight. You got the SS hood with the bulges, lines up square, flush. All of this is beautiful. Just look at the reflection. It is a mirror. It's absolutely outstanding. Before we start, I go around with my little towel and I wipe it down looking for things. And the body and paint is outstanding. Look at the jams. Quarter panel, straight as an arrow. All the lines are beautiful. There is a little bump right up here on top. Now, something I haven't told you, this was restored around 2007, and it still looks this good. That says a lot about this car. This is a mirror, all beautiful, slick, shiny. Look at this, all the way down to the bottom, right behind the tire. It is absolutely a mirror reflection. All clean lines, all real nice, beautiful. Jams are painted slick. Shuts nice and solid. So the body and paint are beautiful. Every piece of chrome and trim has been restored or replaced. It has the bow tie mirrors on both sides. Even the frame around the vent windows all been redone. All of this was replaced. The moldings, the wiper arms, the grills on the hood, the cross flag emblems, all of this beautiful. Optional bumper guards, and it has reproduction T3 headlights, all four of them. It has the correct antenna on it. New windshield. Reproduction red line tires, the wide oval red lines, all new rally wheels and trim, and has the correct small caps for 1967 only. The weather strips and seals were replaced. Convertible top is a power top. It's a black top. There's pictures on our website. That was completely restored. The pump is new. The weather strips, all of that was redone. Coming around to the back, the tail lights, again, bumper guards, everything redone. It has the satin black SS 396 tail panel. Absolutely beautiful car. Let's keep going. You're going to like what you see. You're going to see a brand new looking trunk. Look at underside of the trunk lid, spotless, has the optional working light, has the stickers. They're not even wrinkled like most of them are. The jam is painted slick. Look at the wire, the clips, the bolts, the weather strip. All of that is fresh. Inside is spotless metal with a beautiful spatter finish paint. It has a reproduction tire. It's never been used, so has the nubs on the tread. Looks like a new rally wheel, completely restored jack assembly. New mats, comes with the sales brochure. And if you peek under there, the well liner's new, the pump for the top is new, all the wiring harness is new, the latch was new. When I say new, I mean at the time of restoration. I also just verified, I rolled up the windows, it's all new glass, and it looks like it has the correct dates and codes in the corners as well. Jams are slick, the weather strips, the latches, the screws, everything. Really nice. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. Door panels, armrests, window cranks, lock knobs, all that's been replaced. You'll be looking at a pristine dash. I mentioned it has a blinker tachometer. Let me demonstrate that real quick. This is factory. When you got the tachometer, it blocks the turn signal, which is behind there, so they put it in the tachometer, so it's a blinker tach. And then you have the actual gauges instead of dummy lights. As of right now, 59 miles on the odometer. All new trim, knobs, dash pad, heater control panel was replaced, original AM radios in place. All of this is fresh. The vents. It has a new glove box liner, has the pouch with the manuals, comes with an extra set of keys. The kick panels under the dash, the fiberglass box is raw fiberglass. The light works, carpet looks real nice. It has a working clock, that's another option, in the factory center console with the right 4-speed with the reverse lockout shifter. Seats are restored, reupholstered, looking real good. The seat trim, the backs, look at the rubber bumpers, everything looks fresh. The light works at the back of the console. It does have seat belts front and back, all reupholstered, the side panels, the ashtrays, all that's looking really good. Convertible top boot was replaced. And we have new visors, new mirror, new steering wheel, all new wiring harness, new pedal pads. Very, very fresh. Yeah, this sat in a collection with the Duesenberg, Hemis, really, really nice stuff. So, look at what we got going on here. It's completely detailed, very, very fresh. Looks like it was just finished 10 minutes ago. At the heart of it is a 396. They had a 325 horse. This was the optional 350 horse. They did have a 375 horse, but then you couldn't get air conditioning. So that's the highest horsepower with air conditioning. But just look at how fresh, all the nuts, the bolts, the gaskets, the wires, all real nice. Even the choke underneath here, the carburetor looks restored. Valve covers, the GM hose, distributor. I mean, everything. The whole heater box looks like it's restored. It has GM hoses and clamps. The air conditioning was serviced and upgraded with 134 Freon. The battery is secured properly. The radiator, the cap, the shroud, again, the hoses and clamps, all of that is correct. The squirters are hooked up. It has the correct power steering with this remote reservoir. It has power brakes with a cadmium plated booster. There's the trim tag. There's a picture of that on our website. Wiper motor looks new. Hinges look new. Has the underhood lamp. That's an option. Has the hood insulation. So very, very detailed, very clean, very proper. And there's some nice desirable options here. Michael's going to demonstrate the car for you, and we'll see you back in a few minutes. So his body off the frame, the body was flipped on a rotisserie. That way they could work on it from every angle. The floors look pristine. They're sprayed in the primer. It's the way it would have been at the factory, except these were also clear coated, so it looks a little sharper and it's protected better. All of the suspension and steering was redone. It is the F41 suspension, front and rear sway bars, box rear control arms. I didn't mention the casting codes and dates. All that lines up. The numbers on the front of the engine do match the car. The cowl tag right there is correct, tuxedo black. Has the factory correct dual exhaust. The fuel system was all replaced, the tank, the lines, the sending unit. The brake system was completely rebuilt, has disc brakes up front, the lines replaced, the e-brake cables all hooked up. Even when you look up under at the motor, it's spotless Chevy orange. Starter still looks fresh, has the correct canister type, screw-on oil filter. M21 Muncie 4-speed, it also has correct codes and the matching numbers stamped on it. Rebuilt drive shaft goes back to a 12-bolt rear end, 373 posi gears, also has matching correct codes on it. So this car was restored to factory specs. And I'm not going to use the word perfect, but this is exceptional. This really steps above the other ones. If you're looking at a car that doesn't have air or an automatic or a gold car, I mean, this has got it all, and this thing is so fresh. Exceptional. This could go in your living room. You can go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.